Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space in Yahoo Mail. So what we want to do is we want to delete some emails in order for us to clear up some space. So it could be old emails that aren't really important anymore. So we're going to click on Advanced over here at the top. Then over here at Date, we're going to click on that. Then you can choose the date range of the emails that's okay for you to delete. So it could be in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, or you can just click on custom dates so that you can select the date range of the emails that's okay for you to delete. So you're just going to pick the date. Then you're going to click on search and it will show you all of the emails within that date range. And if it's okay for you to delete all of these emails, just click on the checkbox over here at the very top so that you'll be able to select everything. Then just click on delete. But if you're not okay with deleting everything or you want to check the emails, you can just manually click on the checkbox beside the email so that you'll be able to select which you want to delete. Then just click on delete over here at the top. Then next thing that we're going to do is you want to click on advance again. Then we're just going to clear up the date over here. Then over here at the bottom, you will see that you can also filter out emails that has attachment, photo, or calendar invite. So we're going to select attachment and photo. Then we're going to click on search. Then you'll be able to see the emails with attachments, especially since emails with attachments takes up more space than the usual. So it's also beneficial to delete some of the emails here. So you also want to check these emails. If these emails with this attachment aren't really important anymore, you can go ahead and delete those so you can free up some space. And lastly, you want to go here to the left side bar. You want to click on more. Then you want to check your spam folder. If there are any emails, you can delete those as well so that you could free up more space. Then over here at the trash, you will see all of the emails that you've previously deleted is moved into this folder. So after you deleted emails, you also want to make sure that you're going to clear up the trash folder. So just click on the checkbox over here at the very top, then click on delete, then click on OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching.